friends will be fine and doing great. May Allah bless you. So dear friends, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my all the previous videos. Also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. Dear friends, I'm providing most unique and gorgeous designs of garden waterfall features. Here are some garden waterfall features ideas. Create a beautiful cascade using natural rocks and stones for a rustic look. Install a waterfall that disappears into a hidden rivers, providing the sound of flowing water without a pond. Build a multi-level waterfall with cascading tiles for an elegant and dynamic water features. Incorporate a tranquil Japanese style waterfall with carefully placed rocks and minimalist designs. So guys, attach a waterfall feature to wall or fence for a space saving solution. Use bamboo to create a tropical inspired waterfall with a unique sound and appearance. Design a sleek and modern waterfall with clean lines and geometric shapes. Create a meandering stream that leads to a stunning waterfall, providing a natural flow through your garden. Enhance your waterfall with underwater or landscape lighting to enjoy it day and night. Surrounded your waterfall with native plants to blend it seamlessly into your garden. Remember to consider your garden size, style, and your personal preference with choosing waterfall features. Dear friends, if you want different ideas about your choices, then friends tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can watch easily and get ideas related to decoration, garden makeover. So guys, designing a garden waterfall features involves careful planning and creativity. Are some designs consideration. Choose the right spot for your waterfall, considering factors like visibility, proximity to power sources, and how it fits within the overall garden layout. Decide if you want a rectangulating system or a natural water source. Recirculating systems are more common and easier to control. Select suitable materials for the waterfall, such as natural rocks, stones, bricks, or even modern materials like glass or metal, depending on your garden style. Determine the size and shape of the waterfall, taking into account the available space and the desired visual impact. If options for multi-tiered waterfalls, plan the placement and size of each level to create a harmonious flow. Decide on the water flow rate to achieve the desired sound and appearance. Adjust this with the pump's capacity and valve controls. Choose whether you want a pond at the base of waterfall or a pondless designs with a hidden reservoir. So guys, please support my channel, please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and trendy updates related to decoration, garden makeover. So I will meet you in my next video. Inshallah, I will bring a lot of amazing designs, try and ideas of decorations and garden makeover for you. So dear friends, take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah bless you. So guys, please remember me in your precious prayers.